We're back at one of my favorite spots at the Foot Locker outlet out in East LA. This is what happens when you don't come here in a while. You miss out on your own size. Look at this. They have a large right here. They have a double XL right here. $20. $20 for Nike Laker hoodies. God dang it. Got these going for $30. Cowboys hoodies, $20. These are team apparel, but for $20, not bad. And this is the men's section right here. Been looking for some running shoes, or need to increase my running shoe collection, to be honest. Wait, so I'm curious to see how these are. I think I've tried these on. I don't think they're as cushiony. Yeah, not as cushiony as some of the Nikes. I know a lot of people talk about these. And look, you can even see, you can see through it. That's hilarious. Yeah, I don't know if these are the ones that are gonna work for me. These are the Puma Forever runs. They retail for $150. They got it for $40 here. I don't see too many other performance running shoes here, unfortunately. These Curry 4s right here. This is crazy. $30 for Curry 4 Flotros. That is pretty amazing. And they have multiple sizes because I see 2 different sizes right here. I do have some Ultra Boost. I have some Invincible runs at home. I don't want to use Invincible runs because their size 11s are a little bit loose. And the Ultra Boost, they're okay, but I just don't think they're that great for running. I don't know. Is that in my head? And FYI, I'm not running to train or nothing. I'm just trying to lose some weight. Quickest way to burn calories, or easiest way to burn calories. Oh, $20 for these. Like these, the Club C's. That is kind of, or the Club C85s. Yeah, kind of amazing. Some old school Adidas, if that's y'all thing right here. Got these for $40. I did pass these at $30. Then got some Velocity Nitros. I think these are like a step up above those Nitros, aren't they? I don't know. Cushioning, not bad. Not bad. Is that more than that other one? I think so. Hell of a solid price if you're into running. Got some NMDs right here. Also got these Jordan 2s. Elevates. Got some non-signatures. Air Max 1s. Jordan 1 OGs right here. Mach 6s. Got a couple. The 312s. Got some KD 17s. And still got these GC Jump 2s. These are the what is it? The Safari colorway right here. Normally $195. Wow. They do have a clearance apparel section right here as well. And I did grab one of these before. Was it this one? I don't remember paying $20. I thought I paid like $10. Oh, it's a different one. That's why. Oh, that is assuming. So look at this. Look at this. What is this? Pro Standard? Got a Pro Standard jacket right here. $40 for the Houston Astros. If you like teams that cheat, Houston Astros jacket right here, $40. I don't even watch baseball. I'm just talking trash. It's funny. $15 for Lakers t-shirts right here, or Lakers long sleeve shirts. Got those in mediums right there. I think I see them in smalls. They categorize them by size, so stuff's hard to find sometimes. Pro Standard t-shirt. Lakers right here. I think these are going for $20 because it's in the $20 section. All right, what's this over here? It's the Lakers Pro Standard shirt. What's the price on this thing? It is a small. Oh, that's kind of interesting. I'm not digging the back. God dang it. Yeah, this is normally $50. I think it's going for $15 because it's next to the $10 things. Also next to the $15 items as well. So you're gonna have to get that scanned. But yeah, they do have the shirt. Oh, this is a double XL. Double XL. Yeah, they do have a lot of Lakers gear. Another Pro Standard t-shirt right here. It's with the $20 items. So I believe that's $20. Do have some shorts right here. This is next to the $10. This is small though. This is a small. God dang, dude, that is small. Holy crap. But is it really $10? Holy crap, really? Yeah, dude, that's just above the knees. I can't do above the knees, man. Even if it fit. I don't know if I'd fit a small, but shirt I can fit a small. I don't know about pants quite yet. Look at this. LeBron t-shirt right here, 40 bucks down to $10. That's a Nike? Wow. I got some interesting stuff over here. We'll come back. Just talked to one of the homies. Man, he's got me motivated. I need to get my stuff together. Motivated, getting in shape and stuff like that. All right, dude got one of these. Y'all saw this earlier. I texted one of my boys. I'm like, hey, do you want this? Do you want this? $20 freaking dollars, almost free. Almost free. I'm seeing if he still wears a large. I think he still does. All right, let's finish up with the men's section over here, where they got $20 freaking forums. Got some Asics right there. Also got these Club C 85s right here. Reebok classic nylons. Question pumps. Trae Young 2s. Some generic looking Puma. These actually don't look that bad though. And then the Currys right here. Currys. Hell yeah, Currys right there. Damn, I can't believe this is 30 bucks. Grabbing this hoodie for one of my boys. I'm just trying it on. It's a large. Damn, dude. Like, looks so big on me. Damn, it does look big on me. I'm gonna grab this for my boy. 20 bucks, dude. That's crazy. I'm getting all sidetracked. Dude got this Mamba jersey right here. Double XL. $20. That's Kobe shirts here. Yeah, they still got them. 15 bucks for Kobe t-shirts. They got mediums. Oh, they only had mediums last time. I think they had like one large or something like that. And just mediums. Dude got red ones as well. These are also $15. I got this one right here, double XL. Yeah, they got all kinds of Kobe shirts. $10 for this Nike Air. And if you don't want to get runned over, it does have that reflective stuff on it. Probably good for running and stuff like that. But yeah, I got some pretty decent stuff here. Oh wait, how did I not notice this? Post standard pants right behind it. I don't know the price though. It's on sale, but I don't know the price. Back to the $30 section. These nylons right here, the Reebok Classic nylons, $30. Those are dope. Crazy ones right here. All you old Kobe fans, y'all know what's up with these. $30. $30 effing dollars. Samoas, multiple colorways. Like I said, a trio of Samoas right here, $30. Are these like these are the rivalries, right? I don't know. They got these Adidas right here, all of them going for 30 bucks. Hoka recovery slides, $40 for those. 30 for both colorways of the Calm slides. Oh, they got a Volt one right there too. $40 section. Do got the Forever Runs. I showed you guys those. Do got the Zions. Adidas SL72s. 3 different colorways, as well as these rivalries. Gazelles, NMDs, Zions, MB3s, and the Steph Currys right here, $40 each. Got more of the Forever Runs right there. Lacoste shoes. We know these are gonna eventually go down because nobody's really looking for Lacoste shoes. Got Superstars, Gazelles. The La France right here, $50 for these bad boys. Really solid collection of sneakers for $50 and less. More MBs, Scoots right here, 50 bucks and less. Not bad at all. In the women's section now, we go from $100 shoes, and then we go down all the way to $20 over there. I think this is the only $20 shoe in the women's. They got some Club C 85s going for $30. Converse for $30. Oh, that's the same one. $30 for these. Jordan 1 Elevates. We bought classic leathers. Canvas Converse. Some Airships. These are pretty dope right here, dude. I would say corduroy, but I don't know. But the Fenty Pumas right here, $40. I really like the look of those bad boys. And they got those in multiple colorways, including Gazelles, Superstars, Jordan slips. Do got these Jordan 2s and MDs. Those are the S1s. These are, what are these? These are the Dub ones right here, the W1s. What the hell? Talking to the homie earlier. I forgot to stop by Freaking the Adidas outlet. That's my fault, you guys. My bad. After the Citadel. I feel like that's the only one Adidas outlet that's actually worth stopping by. All the other ones have been pretty mediocre. Got a couple different pairs of the 550s. Air Max 1s. Jordan 1s. Another one down here, as well as these Jordan 1 highs. Gamma Forces. What are these? Max Aura 6s. Got some of the, I forgot what these are, what are these called? The Warped, the New Balance Warped. Glycerins here, $100 off. 70 for the Infinity 1. Jordan 1 highs in multiple colorways. Oh, they got a third one right here, a fourth one right here. Got Dunks, more Dunks, Forces. Few dollars off. They actually have Air Forces right here. That's a huge surprise. Only $15 off, but you rarely ever see these on sale. Seen it at a couple spots now. We saw them at the Shoe Palace outlet. We saw them at Chic. Women's on sale. Not bad, not bad. D and Dunks. Got some 270s right there. Not bad, not bad. I did ask for them to ring this up. This is $20. This is a small. $20, not bad. I think it should be in this section. It was in the $10 section. Is this the $10 section too? Yeah, it's a $10 section as well. So I think it should be over here. Check in the apparel section, see if there's anything crazy. Chicago. Is this oh, the Giants? The Chicago American Giants? What the hell? What the hell is that? The Negro League? Yeah, that's the Negro League from way back when. Kind of cool that it's not Jordan brand. That one's $20. Jordan t-shirts, $20. Jordan hoodies, are these hoodies? $20. I see a New Balance hoodie right here, $30. Ooh, got some tech fleece right here. I think this is the only one. The camel one, that's $50 for that. Oh, wait. There's another one right here. I think this is $80 for that one. Okay. Back in the men's section, we're at the $60 shoe section right here. These are huge. These are freaking huge. The Bad Bunnies, KD16s, Weatherman colorway of the MB1s. Got plenty of the Ross specials. Got a few, or two different colorways of the Air Forces for $60. Still got these bad boys right here. This is a size 11 Jordan 38 low. More of the KDs, as well as 2002 Rs, $70 for those. Oh wait, we got one for $60, as well as the Clifton suedes right here. Got Vomeros, more Vomeros, Curry 12s right here. The other colorways of the Jordan 38 lows, they're still going for $80. Glycerins for you runners, multiple colorways. The ends, Cloud Tech, you never see the Cloud Foams. These are the Cloud Monsters too. The Cloud Monster 2s are out. This is their max cushion shoe right here. I don't know how long it lasts, but supposedly hella comfortable. Everybody's been talking about the On running shoes. Okay, not everybody, but the runners, they've been talking about them. I haven't seen too many of the KD Nerfs for that cheap. Dude, got 6 rings for $80, more Cloud Monsters. And then this rounds out the $100 shoe section right here. Dude got socks right here. How many pairs is this? 1, 2, 3 pairs for $10. These are quarter socks. That's what I've been looking for my kiddo, but it is 82% polyester. I'm just looking for cotton. All the performance stuff, they've been adding all that polyester, but yeah, these are all go for, looks like $10, normally $15. Do got a kid's Foot Locker attached. And this is the grade school shoes right here. And they do got Chucks on sale. You don't see, especially the classic Chucks, like these right here. These are normally $55, I believe. They're down to $30. We got some Campuses right here for $30. Got Gazelles, multiple colorways going for $40. This has like 4 midsoles. Got another one right here. Perforated one. I just saw these for the first time a couple days ago for $40. Low posits, $50. That's a hell of a deal. Got 6 rings as well. Yeah, $50 for 6 rings. Pretty solid freaking deal. These normally go for $135. Dub Zeros go for $50. Pro Strongs $50. Lakers colorway. I don't know what colorway that is. Starting to see the Kais on sale right here. The Kai ones. Weight Forces, Bizikes, Vomeros also on sale. Jordan 4. This is a grade school exclusive colorway, 160 down to 90 bucks. 99 bucks that is. Not bad, not bad. They have toddler shoes over there. They also have pre-K shoes as well as this last size section right here. I didn't know they made these in grade school. Or is this just? Yeah, I think this is a men's. I think that's a smaller men's size. Some Converse right here with the buckle in the front. What the hell? But yeah, not bad, not bad. All right, gonna grab this for one of the homies. Make sure I grab the X, or grab the large instead of the XL. Okay, made in Pakistan. And these retail for $70. Did get them for $20. That was pretty freaking dope. And I can do a survey now. You can't use surveys here, but you can, I think you can still do surveys on the purchases here and earn another $10. Last week, I ran a ton, didn't lose much weight, dude, if any, so it's time to crank it up even more. Hoops, ran 4 miles this morning, gonna go run again. Still calorie deficit. Let's go, you guys. Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. Let's go. Just ran another 3.5 miles, so 7.5 miles ran for the day. Also played some hoops, and I'm at about 1,000 calories. So I can have like 300 calories of protein shakes when I get home. That's what's up. That's what's up, fools. So I lose weight.